I'm part of the project management team at Dräger. My role is to oversee fixed gas detection projects from start to finish, making sure they're delivered on time, on budget, and to the highest standards of safety and compliance. Our team acts as the central point of coordination, bringing together sales, design, workshop and service teams to ensure everything runs smoothly. For me, the most rewarding part is seeing a project come together when a system is successfully installed, commissioned and protecting people. We provide regular updates, manage expectations and proactively address any potential issues before they become problems.
So I become involved at the initial kick-off meeting, supporting the project management, project manager, project engineering team, docs team and support with the delivery of the order.
And do you think that having a dedicated project manager reduces stress for the customers?
Yes, I definitely do. It helps the customer have one point of contact throughout the duration of the project.
Do you have a dedicated project manager that keeps the customer updated in terms of delivery dates, installation dates? So yeah, it's great to have the project management team there to work with the customer.
Every site is different and every customer has unique requirements. One of the biggest challenges is managing unexpected changes, whether that's site conditions, regulatory updates or last-minute modifications. We overcome this through careful planning, flexibility and strong collaboration between teams.
So an example of a complex project could be where we are removing an obsolete item of equipment from the customer's site and replacing it with a Dräger fixed gas detection system. So to prevent them being without detection while we're doing the swap out, project support would arrange for temporary hire of gas detection equipment.
What you mentioned there is really important because they normally come with a couple of days of downtime, and this can potentially make the customer have a shutdown, and we obviously don't want that. So to provide that temporary gas detection system gives them that peace of mind.
It's all about teamwork and ensuring that everyone is working towards the same goal. Factory acceptance testing and on-site commission are key milestones. It allows customers to see their system in action before it's installed. A dedicated project manager from the very start takes the complexity out of the process for customers. Dräger brings expertise, structure and coordination to every project, ensuring that our customers get a gas detection system that is delivered on time, on budget and built to the highest safety standards.